Let's try these blushes from e.l.f. side by side. Now the Berry Well looks a little bit dark for my complexion, but I will show you how to use it for best results. Let's do it. Don't apply it on the cheeks. Put it in the back of your hand and just spread the color. Take like a dense brush, something like that, and pick up the color, dab in circular motion. So we're just gonna apply it, dab, 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 in the brush. And I'm gonna take the foundation brush that I apply my foundation with, and I'm gonna blend the edges. And look how beautiful it looks. And on the back of my hand, I pick up the product in a comparison, say, yes, this shade is a little bit better for me because I have a light complexion. Look how beautiful and seamless this is. I love these blushes. They have a great formula. They are long lasting, just amazing.